Types of reactions. What is a combination reaction? When two or more substances react together to form a single product. Two or more substances react together to form single product is called a combination reaction. See the example, carbon plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide, or hydrogen plus oxygen, 2H2 plus O2 gives H2O. Such reactions, we call it as combination reactions. Here two or more substances combine together and a single product is formed. Such reactions, we call it as a combination reactions. What is an exothermic reaction? A reaction in which heat energy is released. Reaction in which heat energy is released is called exothermic reaction. See an example. Calcium oxide put in water. Calcium oxide, what you are getting in the shop, that is calcium oxide. You are getting in a packet. See, if you put that packet of calcium oxide into water, you can see the water is boiling. This shows that a large amount of heat is released. Such reactions, we call it as exothermic reaction. You can write the equation is like the calcium oxide, CaO, calcium oxide, CaO plus H2O gives calcium hydroxide, CaOH twice. This calcium hydroxide used for whitewashing the walls, I think so. And calcium hydroxide, if it is whitewash or used for whitewashing on one or two coating, when it is given, the calcium hydroxide is converted into calcium carbonate. It shows a shiny appearance to the walls. So I can say such reactions. Here calcium oxide, when put into water, a large amount of heat is released. Such reaction we call it as exothermic reactions. So what is an exothermic reaction? You can expect such questions for the examination. What is an exothermic reaction? A reaction in which heat energy is released during chemical reactions is called exothermic reaction. Another question is a respiration. Respiration is also a exothermic reaction. Why is respiration is an exothermic reaction? Because respiration is taking inside the oxygen and there is digestion of food materials. That means whatever the food materials are digested, heat energy is released during this reaction. So we can say respiration is also a exothermic reaction. And formation, see, given in your textbook, during respiration, food is broken down into stronger, simpler substances. Rice, potatoes, and bread contains carbohydrates. Such substances can be digested while taking oxygen inside. That is why respiration is said to be an exothermic reaction. Similarly, the formation of compost, the vegetable material, when it is left in a heap, we can see that after some days a large amount of heat is produced there. So formation of compost is also a exothermic reactions. So you can guess or expect such questions. Here, what is a combination reaction and why respiration is said to be an exothermic reaction? Well, the formation of compost is also a exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction is reaction in which a large amount of heat is released, and the simple combination reactions is one or two substances combined together to form a single product. Such reactions we call it as a combination reactions. Thank you.